Today we're diving into a fascinating world of the brain, how it handles stress, and some surprising ways we can help it stay balanced. Ever heard of post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD? It's like your brain's way of replaying a bad movie over and over. Intrusive memories, flashbacks, nightmares, the unwelcome guests in your mind. It often leads to hypervigilance, social avoidance, and even social dysfunction. Here's the good news. Our autonomic nervous system, especially the vagus nerve, play a key role in calming things down. Think of the vagus nerve as your body's chill pill, activating parasympathetic activity to promote relaxation. When it's working well, you get that nice respiratory sinus arrhythmia, which is basically your heart's way of dancing to a calming rhythm during slow, deep breaths. This vagal control helps balance out the hyperarousal state seen in anxiety disorders, panic attacks, or PTSD, where the fight or flight response is in overdrive. Scientists are exploring ways to tap into this calming pathway. Vagus nerve stimulation, whether through implants or non-invasive methods like transcutaneous, cervical, or auricular stimulation, can boost parasympathetic activity. This not only helps regulate your heart and immune response, reducing inflammatory markers like cytokines and interleukins, but also influences brain regions involved in fear and emotion. The fear instinct network is superior important. It involves the prefrontal cortex, especially the infralimbic area, which helps put the brakes on fear responses stored in the amygdala. In PTSD, these circuits can become dysfunctional with the amygdala hyperactive and hippocampus hypoactive, making it tough to extinguish fear memories. That's where behavioral therapies like exposure-based therapy come in. They aim to strengthen synaptic connections and promote extinction learning, helping your brain learn that certain stimuli are no longer threatening. Our brain's neuroplasticity is influenced by factors like neurotrophins, including brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which support the growth of new connections. Sleep also plays a critical role, especially slow wave sleep and REM sleep, where the brain processes emotional memories. Adequate sleep enhances attention, memory, and emotional regulation, while issues like chronic insomnia or sleep apnea can worsen stress responses and cognitive decline. And stress and trauma can even impact reproductive health. Things like contraception, menopause, or gynecological conditions such as endometriosis and polycystic ovarian syndrome. Chronic inflammation and stress can worsen these conditions. So managing stress isn't just good for your mind, but your body too. So, whether it's through breathing exercise, long exhalations to boost parasympathetic tone or emergent neuromodulation techniques, there are many ways to help your brain and body find their balance again. Understanding how brain's fear, stress, and recovery systems work can empower us to take better care of ourselves, mind and body alike. Stay curious, breathe deeply, and take care.